Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study faster and faster. First, define what you want to achieve in each study session. This helps you focus your efforts and measure progress. Next, divide your study material into smaller, digestible chunks. This makes the task less daunting and easier to start. Finally, identify your preferred learning style, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, to tailor your methods effectively. To truly accelerate your learning, move beyond passive reading. Actively test yourself with practice questions and try to recall information without looking at your notes. This strengthens memory pathways. Then, summarize what you've learned in your own words. This ensures you've grasped the core concepts. A powerful technique is to explain the material to someone else, as teaching reveals any gaps in your understanding. Creating an optimal study environment is crucial for speed. Start by eliminating all distractions. Put your phone away and close unnecessary browser tabs. Consider using a technique like Pomodoro, working in focused 25-minute bursts followed by short breaks, to maintain high concentration. Remember, your brain needs fuel and rest. Prioritize getting enough sleep and eating nutritious meals to keep your mind sharp and ready to learn. For long-term retention and even faster recall, spaced repetition is key. Don't just review once. Revisit material at increasing intervals to solidify it in your memory. Regular review sessions help you connect new information with existing knowledge, making everything stick better. And speaking of things that stick, check out the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals. Keep practicing these techniques, and you'll be studying faster than ever.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.